The flavorful legacy of pulao, Pakistan's beloved rice dish in the heart of Pakistan. A dish has been warming hearts and filling bellies for centuries. Pulao, a flavorful rice-based delight, has become an integral part of Pakistani cuisine. This aromatic dish has a rich history, woven into the fabric of the region's culture and traditions. Origins: ancient Persian and Middle Eastern roots. Pulao's origins date back to ancient Persia, modern-day Iran, where rice was a staple crop. The dish was influenced by Middle Eastern and Central Asian cuisines, as traders and travelers brought exotic spices and cooking techniques to the region. Mughal era. Pulao's rise to prominence. During the Mughal Empire, from 1526 to 1857, pulao became a staple in royal courts. Mughal emperors, known for their love of fine cuisine, elevated pulao to new heights. Chefs experimented with aromatic spices, herbs, and meats, creating a dish fit for kings. Pakistani variations, a blend of regional flavors. After Pakistan's independence in 1947, pulao continued to evolve, incorporating regional flavors and ingredients. Different provinces developed unique pulao styles. Sindhi pulao, Sindh, with saffron, cardamom, and cloves. Lahori pulao, Punjab, featuring basmati rice, meat or vegetables, and spices. Peshawari pulao, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, with aromatic spices, meat, and dried fruits. Balochi pulao, Baluchistan, incorporating dates, almonds, and coconut. Who started it all? While it's impossible to identify a single person who started pulao, the Mughal Empire's influence played a significant role in popularizing the dish. Pakistani cooks and homemakers have since adapted and refined the recipe. Where to find the best pulao? Some must visit spots for authentic pulao include Lahore's Food Street, Punjab, Karachi's Burns Road, Sindh, Peshawar's Old City, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Key ingredients: basmati rice, aromatic spices cumin, coriander, cinnamon, cardamom, meat or vegetables chicken, beef, lamb, or peas and carrots, ghee or oil, herbs mint, cilantro. Cooking techniques: layering ingredients for optimal flavor, using dumb cooking methods, steaming rice and ingredients together, adding spices and herbs at specific stages of cooking. Tips from Pakistani home cooks: use aged basmati rice for optimal flavor, balance spices to avoid overpowering the dish, add a splash of lemon juice for brightness. Conclusion: pulao's flavorful legacy is a testament to Pakistan's rich cultural heritage. This beloved dish has brought people together, transcending regional and social boundaries. As you savor the aromatic flavors of pulao, remember the centuries-old story behind this iconic Pakistani delight.